just can't settle. There's something inside me that demands more out of life. More than most expect. More than most are prepared to work for. I refuse to settle for an average life. I refuse to conform to what others want for me. Others' belief of what I should do with my life. I refuse to be a slave to the system. I refuse to believe in impossible because I know anything is possible. I refuse to stop working on myself. I will never stop learning, never stop growing and pushing the limits. I refuse to give in, full stop. My character will not allow me to quit. I refuse to stop believing in myself, even when no one else does. I will not stop believing there is better than this. I know there is more to life than this. I refuse to stop searching for better, searching for solutions. I refuse to stop growing, becoming a better version of myself. I refuse to be brought down to the level of the haters and the naysayers, because I know if they knew any better, they would do better. I refuse to follow others. I walk my own path, even if that path is not as popular with the majority. I refuse to stop believing in miracles, and I intend to create a few today.
I will not accept whatever comes my way. I will go out and hunt for what is mine. I refuse to settle for average. It might be okay for others, but it is not okay for me. It's not okay for me.
I refuse to be unhappy with my life. I choose to be grateful. I choose to be blessed. I refuse to settle for anything but the best in every area of my life. That's what I deserve. That's what I will get.